Hello Year 4! Today we're going to be making our own volcanoes and our very own volcanic eruption. But first, how are real volcanoes made? Step 1 is pressure builds up inside the earth. As this pressure increases, the magma moves upwards slowly through all the cracks in the earth's crust. As this pressure continues to build, eventually the magma erupts through the earth's crust and causes a volcano. As you can see from the picture, all of these different layers are from different eruptions. As the lava hardens and cools, the cone shape associated with volcanoes becomes easily recognizable. This process is ongoing. To make your volcano, you're going to need a small plastic bottle, lots of newspaper or scrap paper, glue, paints, brushes, and scissors. Step 1 is to fold your newspaper to make several strips about 1 inch thick. Working from the bottom up, apply glue to your bottle and wrap the newspaper around it. You continue to do this, building up the layers. The most important point is not to cover the hole at the top of the bottle. Once you're happy with the shape, let your volcano dry and then you can paint it to give it a realistic look. Here is a step-by-step picture of how your volcano should look. Now let's have a look at the one I've created and at my volcanic eruption. First, fill your bottle with Coke. Once full, add a drop of vinegar to bring it up to the top. Next, wet your Mentos with water and cover them in baking powder. Once covered in baking powder, we're going to drop them into our bottle. And now, our volcano has erupted. So why did my volcano erupt? So a chemical reaction occurs between the vinegar and the soda. A separate chemical reaction occurs between the Mentos and the Coke. Both of them react together and make the liquid bubble and rise out of the volcano. Let's have a look at some famous volcanoes around the world. The first one we're going to look at is possibly one of the most famous in the world. It's Mount Vesuvius in Italy. Vesuvius once erupted for over 24 hours and it completely destroyed an entire city of people. You can still visit that city today. The second one is also in Italy and it's called Stromboli. This volcano is still active, but it only has small and regular eruptions. Okay, Year 4, I hope you enjoy making your own volcanoes. Please don't forget to send any videos or pictures to Miss Martin and I on the Year 4 email.